Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pushpendra Singh. I am a consultant for a competitive examinations. This I will tell you 10 such habits by which you can clear the UPSC examinations. So let's start. Many of you may feel complete to become an IAS officers and serve the country, but you may will answer where to begin your preparations or whether you have the tools and assistance needed to pass the world thoughts exam. The biggest challenge for any experience to keep the momentum of the preparation on the right track till the goal is achieved. We will go over the techniques as well as the resources you will need to pass this examination in this video. Check out this strategy to crack UPSC examination in 10 points. Number 1, beginnings. Number 1 है beginnings. Start with NCERT class 6 to 12 and clear your basics. Receive all the topics at least 4 to 5 times. Number 2, advanced stage. Once have completed your NCERT, move the advanced level books. Here is a completed book list. Number 1, Polity M. Lakshmikant. Number 2, Art and Culture, Nitin Singhania. Number 3, Ancient History, R.S. Sharma or Tamil Nadu NCERTs. Number 4, Medieval History, Satish Chandra. And number 5, Modern History, Rajiv Ahir. Number 6, Economics, Ramesh Singh and Sanjeev Verma. Number 7, Physical Geography, G.S. Leong. And Indian Geography, NCERT and Majid Hussain. Atlas is a must for Geography. Orient, Black Swan for the World Atlas and the Oxford for Indian Atlas. Environment and Ecology, Shankar IAS or Ethic Lexicon, Current Affairs, The Hindu, PIV, PRS and RSTV. Number 3, coaching or self-study. It is a myth that coaching is a must for clearing UPSC. You can also track this exam through self-study. However, coaching does reduce your effort. Having said that, by having proper resources and guidance, you can also clear the examination without coaching. And topic number 4, big cities. कोचिंग और सेल्फ स्टडी ये तो दिस मैथ क्लियर्स एंड नंबर 4 बिग सिटीज वर्सेस स्मॉल सिटीज सो अगेन देयर इज द fallacy that you must prepare in large cities, but I strongly advise you not to waste your money and time doing so. You can study for this exam from anywhere in the world if you have access to appropriate internet as resources. Number 5, discussion is the key. One should include English in marking common groups for UPSC preparation and actively discuss issues related to various subjects. Peer learning goes a long way in solving for your common queries. Number 6 topic, smart study. Study was needed. Do not waste your times by studying irrelevant material. Stick to your syllabus. Number 7 topics. Stay away for negativity. UPSC is a marathon. You have to run slowly at the beginning rather than fast. Remember, there will be times when you will feel demotivated, but do not lose off and keep your claim. Topic number 8. This exam can make you an intellectual. UPSC is very important exam, but not more important than your mental and physical well-being. So remember, only one percent of the efficient will make it, and you may or may not be in that on present, but the things you learn during the preparation will ultimately make you do wonders in the life. Number 9 points, practice. Practice is very important for this. Practice is the key. Maths is the most important part of the exam, and for maths you have to write your answer is 150 and 250 words. Practice writing answer is this given time. Number 10 point and last, keep reading as much as you can. Also, money will tell you that you need to study for 16 hours to crack UPSC. That certainly not true and can lead to but not and may affect your preference. 8 hours to dedicated study every day is enough to clear the exam. The single most important points which separates success from failure during UPSC preparation is having confidence in oneself along with keeping on oneself motivated. Believe in yourself and you will certainly crack this exam. Or as Handy Ford once said, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. All the best. Thank you for watching and like and subscribe videos.